Serrano posse together. So I can label them. I hope that's enough to keep him alive. Serrano posse. Serrano posse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Serrano. 6 Wonder Bells. I know I could say Wonder Bell without the distaste, but there's that bad Mamma Jamma. Oh, 7 Serranos. Oh, and then the 2 little guys here. I don't know why they're so sad. Yeah, they look super sad. Yeah, even their root is super sad. Like, these look like they just come up, and I know they didn't. Oh yeah, they teased right apart. Nice. Oh wow, these guys are not going to do great. I hope you stiffen up a little, buddy. That's all I'm saying. Will you grab me another, like, 4 of my cups from my basket? Thank you. Alright, Serrano posse. That is a lot of Serranos. Aromas. Ace 55. Alright, the last Serrano. Sounds like a television show. Alright. I like my ladies hot. Like a Texas. Jalapeno! Woo! That's fun. Oh, those are in there. This may be a terrible idea. Jalapeno. But yeah, prune those bottom seed starts off. Seed starting leaves off. Starting leaves. Goodbye. Alright. Alright. Ta-da! No?